back to my Patreon page, which is patreon.com/Elliott Wave Green. I'm your host Shaheen. Today's is February 16th, 2022, and we have an important forecast for gold and silver to be made. Now, as you guys are well aware of it, that I have not only given the bearish outlook for gold and silver, I have also given a date for that. And the date for the bottom creating is February 25, right on this one over here. I believe that we are supposed to be seeing a bottom forming in gold and silver. In gold we have a date which is February 25, 22. With silver I'm expecting that it should follow gold as well as far as the time is concerned. But I have not made a separate research on silver individually. It takes a lot of time, so I decided to just go with the gold. As far as time target is concerned, price target is concerned, in my last analysis I was unable to give you guys a time target. I'm expecting for the gold to drop at 1485. We have hardly few days left, about 8 days worth of trading left. Today news came out as Fed posted their minutes of a previous meeting, and now they're focusing on the increased rate of increasing the interest rates. So they were gonna do the interest rate increases, but now they're saying they should actually increase the speed with which they are gonna go do it. So far we have not seen any reaction from the market. All we have seen is prices of gold going up. This is what we have seen. Let me see. So this is the 15-minute chart right now. This is what we have seen. Initially price of gold went up, came down, and went up back again. Now this, as far as the fundamental analysis is concerned, it totally lines up with my own analysis which I posted 2-3 days ago. Although the price has not transferred. A lot of time when the trading day ends and we enter into new trading session, then a lot of time these things happen. Maybe the large investors are interested only taking things when there is not much competition on the market. They can push the prices easily down. Whatever the reason may be, either fundamental analysis or technical analysis, both are pointing that we are going to see massive amount of drop in the price. As far as fundamental analysis is concerned, it probably is going to say slowly, but for my technical analysis, which is pushing towards down, is right now I'm looking at gold to be bearish, although we have not seen any any signs of that yet. We did see $25 to $30 price drop yesterday, but then since then gold has recovered. It certainly is not going to go up because a lot of fundamental news were coming because of Russia and Ukraine situation that's going on, and we have seen the situation not only calm down, we have also seen that a reversal happen. So I think right now that the final push, we are very close to the final push of the correction. If we can consider it as a smaller wave 1 and a smaller wave 2, we should better wait for a drop of the completion of the pattern, which is this one right over here. Alright, we do not have to bet over whether this is wave 2 or it's gonna go up and create another top. So what we can do, one thing is we can wait for the prices to drop below, put a selling order, and then we can also use a couple of horizontal support line. First of all, this one over here, or if you want to be really sure, then this one right over here. But the immense pressure of selling that I believe is going to come next few days is going to be unbelievable. Especially, it looks to me like next 3 to 5 working days, trading days, are going to be immensely bearish for gold. So I'm clearly bearish for gold. The time the time target remains same, which is February 25 that I have given you. It might push to the Monday, which is the next trading day. So the bottom might push into few hours of Monday. As far as price target is concerned, I have given you guys the time price target as well, which is 1485. And that means that this bottom that we have right over here, this support is absolutely crucial. This is the target is telling us one thing, that the prices will not be able to penetrate this particular support, which falls at 1445. So this is very useful information for our future trading. But right now it's going to be definitely magical moment when prices actually go and do that. Let's have a look at silver. Now silver has not seen a deeper correction as compared to gold. We are looking for a sharper, we have seen sharper drop, and then we are right now seeing that the correction is kind of coming at a previous top right over here too. So this is in a much better situation on a bearish side as compared to gold. I believe that we are going to go further down. I also have a bearish target for silver right now. First of all, the horizontal support, this one is very important. Once the prices go below that, that will be a sign that we are definitely going to go down. First of all, the analysis is giving, but that will be a sign that we have created a top right over here and the secondary top right over here. So a break of this support line, the horizontal support line. This is the diagonal support line on a 15-minute chart if any of you guys are interested in it. And the whole reason I'm indicating that the immense pressure is going downward in few days is going to be, I believe, very less time once the prices start going down, then the reaction time would be very less. I mean, we are not expecting rallies, large rallies, especially for extended period of time. For the price target as far as is concerned, I believe it was around 1365 or 13. Let's take it to 1390, right? I have written it somewhere over here. I did some research on it, so let's make it to $14, right? I think it was 1365, but I'm gonna make sure what time exactly it is. Yeah, I thought it was on my notes here on the screen, but it's not. So this is right now I'm expecting in terms of bottom being created in silver, and then again the time duration is exactly the same, which is February 25 is the bottom date for gold, and I'm expecting that we are gonna see bottom forming around the same date in silver as well. The initial drop that I have considered is going to be somewhere around $16. The initial drop that we are going to see is $15, some sort of correction on the, for 2-3 days, and then we'll see another drop further down. This is what I was looking at it. For gold, it's going to be behavior is something like, if you guys are really interested in really been pinpointing, I'm expecting that the first drop is going to happen is below this particular support line. Now this support line is definitely important. So there is a possibility. First of all, what my first analysis is giving me that we are going to come through this reach in this region around $1,600. All right, and then push up to give us a correction, finding a support, and then coming down. All right. So this is one. This is one thing that I'm looking at it. The other thing that is a possible that there is price is going to come, find some support right over here, jump up, and then further down. But right now what I'm seeing is that price will fall for, once again, this is too much of a detail. The analysis is giving only one thing, which is the bottom and the bearish trend. So wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.